Today I'm going to show you how to create a stop motion video like this, which is perfect to celebrate any milestone or to make any sort of announcement, whether it be a sale or just a win or something like that. So the first thing you want to do is go to the App Store, either on Android or Apple, and download our app Lapse. The second thing you want to do is make sure under your settings that you change the auto lock to never so that your phone doesn't switch off during the recording. As you can see, I didn't need a lot of things to create this stop motion, things that are readily available either from a craft store or from your local dollar store. To start a project, the first thing you want to do is click that big plus sign at the bottom of the screen. From here, you're going to want to either already have your scene set up or get to setting up your scene. As you can see, my scene has already been set up, but basically it involved taping down a piece of yarn, and then I also taped down those clothes pegs so that they wouldn't move. And I have everything already set up because I am shooting this in reverse so that I can see all of my spacing. So once your scene is set up, you want to lock your exposure, white balance and focus so that these don't change during the shot. From here, what I'm doing is because I am shooting this in reverse, I am doing things backwards. So I'm just taking the last 0 and I'm going to move it bit by bit, taking a photo in between each of the movements. As I mentioned, this is a good idea to celebrate a milestone or make an announcement, whether it be about a sale or an offer. You can also make sure that what you're using matches your aesthetic with your color choices. You can also add in some static background props or even props that you give movement to as well to give an additional layer to things. There's really a lot of options you can do, whatever you choose to do. Another thing that I had done at the beginning of this was I had the Instagram overlay on. So there's a functionality to be able to have two different kinds of Instagram overlay. So if you know you're going to be showing this as a square post on your feed, then you can put that overlay on from the beginning. And again, it means you'll see exactly what's in your shot and what's going to show up in your video, so you don't have any spacing issues. As I'm moving down the numbers bit by bit, I am just checking the alignment. So I have the ghost feature on, or the onion skin, which helps me to make sure that my numbers are pretty much in alignment, so they're not kind of skewing off to the left or the right as I drag them down. So I'm just doing that with each of the numbers. And then once I have every shot, then I've finished taking all of my photos, that's when I'm going to open up the editor. And as you can see, there are a lot of options available. Some are part of the free version of the app and some are pro features. So I start by resizing my video. Even though I did have the Instagram overlay, it does record as the whole screen. So I'm resizing it and then I'm rotating it because my phone has picked it up as being sideways. So I do rotate it. From here, I can adjust my brightness, my contrast, my saturation, and my warmth. Any or all of those options, or none at all. And then after that, when you are making any of those adjustments, if you see an X and a tick, if you actually want to make sure those adjustments save, make sure you are selecting the tick box as well. Personally, I like to make any sort of adjustments like this based on 3/4 brightness on my phone. That is kind of personal preference in that respect. From here, you can also play around with the speed of your video. You can also, I needed to hit the reverse button so that it was playing from start to finish. And then I've can also add in a freeze effect for 1, 2, or 3 seconds. That's really good because Instagram loops your videos. So if you actually want to give people kind of that pause moment at the end before it starts looping again so they can read the full message, that's a good idea. And then obviously once you're ready and you're finished, you can save the video by clicking the top right hand icon and save it to your phone, and then it's ready for you to use on social or wherever you wish to have it show up.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.